beer can chicken leftovers. It sure pays to be an Arden field tester. Am I right, everybody? Okay, so the Arden team was able to get out field test units, and I am one of the lucky ones. Before I had Arden in my kitchen, I had smoked 0 things. In the last 2.5 weeks, I have smoked a brisket, 2 salmon, 2 beer can chicken, chicken breasts, chicken thighs, chicken wings, pork ribs, and probably something else I'm forgetting. My family is loving the fact that I'm testing, and I'm loving the fact that I'm taste testing. But we're gonna hear what else we're learning about these field tests, and we're gonna kick it over to Ken.
Hey everyone, it's been a while since we've given an Arden update. I want to fill you on what's been happening recently. Right now we're at a very exciting phase of the development where we get to put product in the hands of beta testers. So we now have upwards of around 20 units that are in people's hands. These are a wide range of users. One of the things that we really have to do is test a lot of the assumptions and decisions we made about how Arden works and how people interact with it. The unique thing about Arden is when you bring a smoker inside, you have to really challenge a lot of the assumptions of how existing products work. When you take a smoker from the outdoors and you bring it into your kitchen, the context changes. How people expect to interact with it, how they expect it to behave also changes. Not only that, but we're appealing to new customers, not just people who already know how to smoke, but also people who have never had the chance to smoke before, maybe because they live in an apartment, their landlord won't let them own one, or maybe they're just intimidated by the smoking process overall. So we really have to make sure that this product functions and appeals to everybody the way that they expect to use it. So as I said, we have about 20 of these units out with our beta testers. The interesting thing that we're learning as we're getting feedback from them is that a lot of their responses can be subjective. We're trying to appeal to a wide range of users as much as possible. So one of the things that we've been kind of hearing back is for some users, the smoke level is too high, the smoke flavor is too strong. For some people, it's not strong enough. So what we realize is we really need to hone in the smoke levels that we have on the unit. Right now we have smoke level 1 through 5, but what does that really mean to our beta testers? That's what we're trying to learn and we're trying to tweak. As we update our software, as we fix the firmware, we're really honing that in and we're getting better and better feedback from our users. The exciting thing about all the feedback we're getting is we're starting to get pictures of the different kinds of foods that people are cooking, and it's a wide range of things. At first we were thinking it was just going to be a lot of red meats, but there's things like pies, cakes, vegetables, fish, even rabbit. As we're working forward to fix all the minor issues that we're seeing from our beta testers, we're also now turning our focus towards production. We've got to make sure that every unit that's coming off the production line behaves and acts the same way and has the same reliability. So you're probably wondering at this point, are we still on schedule? The fact is, yes, we're still planning to deliver to backers in late August of this year. As always, guys, thanks for checking back in. If you have any questions or comments, make sure to leave those down below. All right, we'll give you guys another update the next time we reach a milestone, so thanks for watching, everybody.